The law is being praised because it addresses issues that had been proving to be a thorn in the side of the general public and the government alike. I have a small plot too, and I am happy that I will now be able to apply for a land deed and will not have to have joint ownership with anyone else as it was before when people would merge their land to meet the minimum size requirement. It always caused problems, especially when it comes to paying taxes and respecting boundaries, with people encroaching on your land saying they hold a deed. People will also now be able to rent land from the government for a period of 99 years instead of the previous 20 renewable years for residential areas and 30 years for industrial ones. The Legal Aid Forum says it is happy about this and other issues that have now been addressed. Here we must note that it was addressed because in the new law everybody with land must allocate space for a public road, but it also stipulates that a ministerial order must detail the exact requirements for this. The law now also requires that people like spouses both sign documents pertaining to the transfer of land ownership, even if one of the spouses is not indicated on the original land deed as the owner. We are happy about this because it will reduce disputes. Another new feature of the law is that agricultural land as well as plots in forests can also now be divided into smaller ones, but certain regulations must be respected. It is now legal for a person to do so, but that does not mean that people can start disregarding the master plan. A plot of land meant for agriculture cannot be suddenly divided and one portion transformed into a residential one. This is one of the issues that had previously caused problems. Also, land disputes about plot boundaries will now be resolved by the Rwanda Land Management and Use Authority, not in courts of law. The new law also addresses the issue of the lodging and cancellation of a caveat when it comes to land transfer. We are not saying that caveats will not be issued because there are other laws that stipulate on their use. The difference is that such requests will now be determined valid or not by the relevant land authorities at different levels without having to take the matter to court. The law number 27/2021 of the 10th of June 2021 is now in effect after being published in the official Gazette.